Punch.
Yung gloves ni Paris mas malaki pa sa kanya.
Punch.
Punch! Oh.
My hooks. Come.
Mommy, let's go sleep.
Oh, you're gonna go sleep. Okay. Go sleep na. Mag-sleep daw siya, guys. Good night, Paris.
Night, Mommy.
Night. I love you.
Light off.
Put the light off. Dahil nakayin sa ni Mama ang vlog. Ay, put the light off. Okay, just close your eyes na lang. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Best actress lagi ka na. Best actress ka na? Afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. Ang ating anak ay nagbumami-mami.
Mommy?
Yes, honey.
This is
Ah, Gigi, say hi, friends. It is Saturday afternoon, guys. Alas 5 na siya ng hapon. And ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog. And now, Paris and I are going out. Kasi si Paris ay kagising lang pala niya from her nap. Tapos, binihisan ko siya kasi yung daddy niya ay nag-gym sa labas. And pupuntahan namin. Let's go, honey! Come! Pakita ko sa inyo quickly yung ating bulaklak, guys. Bubuka ang bulaklak, papasok ang rain. Buka na sila, guys. Ito na lang. Ay, dalawa. Dalawa na lang. Hindi pa na. It's a flower. Do you like the flower, na?
This is Daddy's.
It's daddy's. Yeah, Mama gave that to daddy on his birthday.
This Mama to find more.
Do you want to find more flower?
Yes, it's Daddy.
Okay, let's go. Let's go see daddy. Open the door na. So it's been raining all night last night. Hala, asa man atong daddy na? He's not here. Is he in the gym? Can you call daddy, please?
Daddy!
Mo. Yeah. Mo.
Daddy, Mommy, can you call Daddy?
Call daddy lagi. I don't know where daddy is.
Daddy's at the house.
Yeah. Call daddy. Oh, on the phone. Speak to daddy. See, where are you?
Daddy.
Say hello.
Paris.
See Daddy's.
Where?
Hello, Paris.
See, where are you?
That's Daddy.
Where's daddy?
Daddy's in
the
the gym.
Which gym?
Daddy.
garage.
See Daddy.
Oh, open the garage. We're coming in.
Okay.
Come. Come na. Daddy is in the garage na. Nanirado dahil siya sa kuan. Hadlok siya. Makita iyang muscle.
There.
Hi, daddy's not there. Oh, tanawa. Daddy is here, I think. Is daddy there? Ooh, there you go. Go, let's go. Do you wanna work out with daddy?
Mama, just be careful.
Yeah. Andito pala ang ating daddy Mike. Oh.
Right? Is it the right?
Use this one. Wow. Use that one.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's very light.
Yes, I
Wow.
Daddy, that's yours.
That's yours. This is mommy's.
It's Paris.
One.
Go, Paris. Yeah, do it. Lift.
Good job, my love.
Show Mummy do it.
Mommy's hard.
Okay. It's hard, is it?
Look at the back.
Where's yours? Here. Mama will get mine. And then I'll teach you how to use it.
Oh, Mommy's hard.
Where? It's hard, is it? Ayaw ni Paris mag-exercise, guys. Kay very hard daw. Very hard. Ayoko namang mag-vlog doon kasi very dark sa loob ng garage ba.
Ready?
Good job! Wow! You're doing very well. Have a look, Daddy. Have a look at Paris. Oh, sure. She's tired. Come on.
Punch. Go.
Yung gloves ni Paris mas malaki pa sa kanya.
Punch.
Punch! Oh, sexy legs kaya ng Daddy Mike.
Punch.
You don't want it?
Mama, put it on.
You don't want it?
Just put it on so she can show it.
Enak.
Okay, ready?
Come.
Go.
Stand here.
Go.
Where's your rope?
20 punches. Go. Boom.
Set 20.
Two jump squats, yeah? That's two, you did 10 twice. Go. Quick.
How do you have to do that again?
2.
You got it?
Hooks. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep, sorry. Up. And 4 is 4, 1, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Good. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 4. 2, 3. 20 hooks. 20 times. That's it. 6. Hold on. Okay, ready?
Come on.
Yeah, you do it.
Wow! That's amazing, Paris.
Hold too. Hold, ready?
Kana rin mo na. Oh, kana. Can I please?
Ready?
Come on, Paris. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ito na lang yung ginagawa namin guys kasi nga lockdown kami so hindi kami makakapunta kahit saan. Kung matagal na kayong nakasubaybay sa ating channel, alam nyo na mahilig talaga kaming umalis every weekend. Like palagi kaming may pinupuntahan. But this time, dahil nga sa pandemic so wala tayong magagawa. So ayan, ito yung ginagawa namin. Sinasamahan namin si Daddy Mike sa kanyang pag-gym. Anak! Hello! Paris is na-amaze si Paris, oh. What did you say, Nak?
I'm hungry.
Are you hungry? Paris is hungry, Daddy.
Guys, look.
Daddy, look at Daddy. Look. Learn, Nak, oh. Learn from Daddy ba? Have a look. Kasi Daddy ka. Ayan, kaya ang aming sasakyan ay kawawa, oh. Wala dito kasi wala nang malagyan ng sasakyan.
Hold.
No, Daddy, parrot.
Oh, wow! Paris so strong! Wow! That's amazing, honey! Ang tiyan!
Go, Mommy.
Hold on.
Wow!
Good cow.
Wow! 1, 2, 3.
Can you hold on to this one, Baba? Look. Up, up. Up. Yeah, up. Hold.
Hold! Hold! Woohoo! Ang tiyan! Tabi po. Dami. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Well done, Paris. Pumasok na kami, guys. Iniwan namin si Daddy Mike doon na nag-gym kasi tatapusin pa muna niya ang kanyang session. Pumunta lang talaga kami ni Paris doon para magsamok-samok. Tapos itong mag-sit down the bike, oh. Sit down the bike. Pumasok na kami, guys, kasi gumiginaw na siya ba? 6 o'clock na siya. Magsi 6 o'clock na pala siya ng gabi. We're going to the beach. Tell our friends we're going to the beach. Tell them we're going to the beach. Bye-bye. Where's that now? Where's that? Bye-bye, friends.
My friends. My daddy.
Bye, Daddy. Push. 1. Yay! More. Gahi kay pedalan kay flat. More. Wow, well done. Guys, yung bulaklak na binigay sa akin ni Daddy Mike, God knows kailan pa to. Buhay na buhay pa talaga. Ito lang isa, medyo na ano na, oh. Ito. Pero the rest, ayan, buhay na buhay pa. 2 weeks na yata yan. It's stuck, is it? Oh no. Mommy, help. Shall we call the doctor to help? Andin na boo-boo.
My phone.
Your phone? Nada kay phone nila. Ay, kakaamang ka.
And this is not putting the daddy.
Huh?
And having my phone. It's hard.
Where's your phone?
It's hiding.
Kanus ka na iPhone?
It's hiding.
Tara, use the phone. Come on. Call Daddy. Tell him that your bike is broken.
There. Here go, Mommy.
Call Daddy.
Daddy. Go. Daddy.
Say my bike is broken.
Bike's broken, Daddy.
Hang on, people. Luy, baka na may ka-istorya.
Call Daddy.
Yes, we'll call Daddy here. Yucky, yucky!
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Ayaw ko, anak. Ayaw, tilapi na anak. Dirty man, anak.
No, yucky.
That's right. Ride na your bike. Ride na your bike.
It's yucky.
Careful lagi, anak.
This is fighting baby.
Ano na pala siya, guys? Oh, 7:20 na ng gabi. Kumain na kami ng dinner. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. And ngayon ay, ayan, nanonood lang kami. Ay, nakikinig pala kami ng mga music. So, nag-uusap kami ni Daddy Mike kung ano yung ipapatugtog namin na kanta sa kasal namin. Sobrang aga lang, guys. Ba? Hindi pa namin alam kung kailan yung kasal. Pero, nag-uusap na kami kung ano yung mga, careful, anak. Ano yung music na ipapatugtog namin. Ngayon, natatawa ako, guys, kasi hindi kami magkasundo. Yung gusto kasi ni Daddy Mike, guys, more on, yung Guns N' Roses ba na mga kanta. Ano tawag title? Ay, November Rain? November Rain daw yung title, hindi ko sure. Pero yung sa akin kasi, guys, very ballads talaga yung mga gusto ko ba. So, pinapatugtog namin, pinapakinggan namin. Yung una na pinatugtog ko is yung When God Made You. Hindi ko alam kung sinong kumanta nun, guys. Pero yung may... ang aking anak, ABCD. Sabi nga namin, guys, si Paris na lang yung aming ipa-decide para hindi na kami mag-away ba. Tapos sabi ni Paris, ang ano daw niya sa wedding namin is ABCD. So I'm not sure kung i-play namin ABCD sa aming wedding. Ay, shush! Matagak lagi ka diha ba? Kung matagak ka diha, ha? Nagahilang lahat. Yung gusto ko talaga guys is yung When God Made You. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka gusto ko na music talaga para sa wedding. Pero si Daddy Mike gusto niya na rock. Guns N' Roses daw.
A little more time. Yeah, I must have been.
Gusto ko yung ano, yung may lyrics na ano guys ba, yung when God made you, He must have been thinking about me. Yun siya guys, gusto ko yun. Isa yun sa gusto ko na ipa-play sa kasal namin. Kaya matapos-tapos dito. Check ka guys. Saba kasi lang ba? Daddy, what was the title of that song? The Guns N' Roses. November Rain. Yung isa, yung God Gave Me You nga. Yung God Gave Me You to show me what's real. That there's more to life than just what I feel. Something ganun guys. CD talaga sa kanya guys. Twinkle, twinkle, little star na for Mama and Daddy's wedding. Ay, ABCD. Okay. Yeah! Careful lagi dia nak. There's another one Daddy. A song. I think that's Beautiful in White. Beautiful in White.
Okay.
For as long as I live, I love you. I'll have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. Ganon, yun guys. Yun talaga yung gusto ko ipang-play sa aking wedding. But, we'll see how it goes pagdating ng panahon kung sino talaga yung masusunod. Kasi, hala. Hi guys! Dito tayo ngayon sa beauty room ko and it's currently 9:40 ng gabi. Ayan oh. Very late na. Ang ating baby girl ay gising pa oh. Tingnan nyo. Anak, say hi na. No. Very sleepy na rin yan siya guys. Kung naririnig nyo, ang ating shower ay naka-on na kasi si Daddy Mike ay nagsha-shower na rin kasi para makatulog na. Anyways, that's about it for today's video, guys. Nothing very exciting kasi hindi naman talaga kami makakalabas. So, dito lang kami sa bahay. You go swimming. Ang ating anak na, guys, oh.
I'm sleeping.
Where you going?
I'm sleeping.
You sleeping? Tignan niyo yung balikbayan box na yan, guys. Naunsa na niya, naglumot na na. Hindi ko pa naipadala. What is it, Baba?
Mommy.
What is it, my love? Huh? Naka dictionary na ka, masabtan ni mama na?
Never. Mommy, let's go sleep.
Oh, you gotta go sleep. Okay, go sleep na. Mag-sleep daw siya, guys. Good night, Paris.
Night, Mommy.
Night. I love you.
Put the light off.
Put the light off. Kaya nakain sa ni mama ang vlog. Ay, put the light off. Okay, just close your eyes na lang. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Best actress lagi ka na. Best actress ka na. Tignan niyo to guys, oh. Normally, binibihisan ko to siya every, every month. Ngayon, ilang months na to siya. Hindi ko nabihisan. Wala talaga akong time. Sobrang busy.
Ako sleep.
Ako sleep. Okay, nanak. Good night, my love. Uy, shush! Palangga ni mama. I love you, Paris. Oh, bulingit baka ni mo na koy manghilap mo sa tanak. May pamaguban kasi mong daddy dito sa shower na. Gusto ko lang i-welcome ang ating mga bagong subscribers, guys. Welcome sa inyong lahat. And thank you very much sa pag-consider na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. And I really hope na nai-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. Now, we are just going to do a quick shout out, guys, para sa ating mga mahal na mga subscribers. First shout out goes to Amethyst Drake. Shout out to Lohan Pasadas, Princess Silanga, and Silanga Sambaan family from Balingasag. Akong mga silingan diha. Hello sa inyong tanan. Shout out to Rosemary La Rosa, Rose Lumeran, Rose in Philippines, Lisan Bansil, and also sa kanyang husband daw na nasa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and Marie family from Imos, Cavite, and also sa kanyang mga apo, Manu, Ayay, Kyle, and Candice. Shout out to Myla Bitasolo, Maria Victoria Pangan, Daya Magallanes, Hilas Ka, and also Simply Rit, it's the same person. Hello, Day. Shout out to Nori Aliada, Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Shout out to Ethel Joy Kipit. Shout out to Mayan Lozada, Imelda Malinag. Shout out to Jaden Reyes, who's also celebrating her birthday today. Happy birthday to you, sis. Actually, it's now 8th of August. So, Sunday ngayon, guys. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko ito ma-upload, but happy birthday sa'yo, Sisi. Shout out to Ritz Escape, Rosario Tromata, Lynette Cartagena, Daisy Flemmer, Lina de los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Maricel Mabalot, ang saya kahit kailan. Shout out to Annabel Pahuwayan. Shout out to Bernadette Elmido. A.A.'s Day, sabi niya, new subscriber from Land of Rising Sun. Proud Bisaya here from Davao, sis. Hello sa mga taga Davao. Shout out sa inyong tanan diha. Shout out to Marites Santa Ana from Bataraza, Palawan. Shout out to Marilu Laha, Our Life Australia, Philippines. Kusha Basham, Bella Pascual, Myla Alonzo, Cheryl Kulata, Diana Jane Bravo, Jambi. Shout out to Lyra Belenzo, Angelita Mendoza, Pubring Provinciana. Shout out to Maria Luz Florimonte, Nini Jean, Papa Tao, Ann Kapagalan. Shout out to Joanne Ambe, Elsa Mapago, Apple Evangelista, Roxanne Ortoyo, Lovely Dimasangkay, Biviel Elerio, Haina Sandato, and Sonia Laison. That's about it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And also, i-hit nyo na rin yung bell button para always kayong notified sa ating mga bagong videos. Yes, honey. What's this?
Nappy.
Nappy. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't...
Bye.